Hello, everybody. I have seen some of the logos that you prepared, and they look pretty good. So it's going well. So in today's class, I'm actually going to talk a little bit about job opportunities in social media in our field. And I want you guys to know so that you can prepare for that now before you start looking for jobs. So when you're looking for a job in social media, and if you're good at it, you need to be good at design because design skills are so rare and they're so on demand right now. So if you know Photoshop and Illustrator, those are going to be a super plus. And I'm teaching those classes in the spring semester. So if you need anything, if you need to design anything, I also have a lot of videos on this channel for Photoshop and for Illustrator, mostly for the fashion industry. But anyway, so I wanted to mention a couple of things today. One is if you're looking for a social media job, you should look for agencies. There are a lot of different agencies. They are also called digital marketing agencies. And a lot of those companies provide a third-party social media expertise for other brands. So the fashion brands, instead of creating their own team of social media marketing, they hire these companies, and these companies create ads, create reels, create social media presence, or of course, so there are other types of marketing that is done digitally other than Facebook and Instagram and all that. There's email marketing and so on. So these companies will hire you to design something for a brand, or to design an ad for a brand, or to create some kind of social media post for them. So I would say probably the best way to improve your skills is to work on the social media project I have, but it will also be good to have a profile, a portfolio that you can show to these people. So I'm really hoping that in this class, we can all create that portfolio together. So when you're applying for jobs, you will have something to show for. Now, branding is really important. So if you have your brand, you really want to make it attractive. I mean, starting with your logo design, and then every post that you make for your brand is going to matter. So those are some of the things I wanted to mention today. Another thing I should mention is a lot of those digital marketing jobs are online. So if you like working remotely, I think those would be really good for you as well. Other than that, so I want you to start thinking about your social media project. Let's just assume that you're going to be selling a product. Just decide on what kind of product you want to sell and try to create some kind of image in your mind about your brand and how to advertise it and how to make a post that will be engaging. So I'm going to give you the details of our next social media project in our next class, but I want you guys to start thinking of it that way, and I'll give you the details in the next class. So that's all I have for today. I will see you guys on the next class.